This is our #1 easy hack of how to secure your stamper head. So if you have a glue gun, this is gonna be awesome. All you need is a few of these glue dots in here. You don't need much, just a small dot. And you wanna make sure it's above the lip. If you can, try to put it evenly spaced. So just wait until it turns to that kind of milky white effect. That means that it's completely dry. Then now you can just go ahead and stick your stamper head. And you just wanna make sure that it sits in the lip properly. So you see how there's this little line and then there's like a tiny space between the glue dot. I think it's best if you can do that because the stamper head will stop. You see? One is like really easy and then this is kind of a bit firmer because we put those glue dots in. So it really just kind of holds it in place.